learners, welcome back to World of UX UI. In today's video, we are going to learn what is UX design. UX design stands for user experience. It means how a user experiences a product, a service or any system. Let us look at some of these brands. Which one is your favorite and why? Why do you like them and why do you keep coming back to these brands? It is because of the experience they provide. Apparently, it is a combination of three factors. First one is need of the user should be addressed. Let's take an example. Let's say a user is going to buy a pair of shoes. It should be able to protect users' feet and provide comfort to them. Second factor is easy to use. User should not struggle while wearing those shoes. Third factor is desirable. It should be attractive and appealing. In other words, when a product or service is useful, desirable and usable, a great experience is created. To achieve this, UX designer follows a process which we will be discussing in next video. Stay tuned.